Today I'm going to remake a song from Tyler, the creator, called Yonkers. If you haven't heard it before, just go on YouTube and search it up, but this is basically what it is. That's just a sample. That's actually the song, but to get that little squeaky sound, I just sampled it. Just put it on that one pad. Then I added some drums. I couldn't find the exact kick drum. You hear it in the song. It's not the same. But I got this set pretty well. That sounds pretty close. And then I added the electric bass. I'm not sure if you can hear that. That comes in about like 2 minutes into or maybe, yeah, 1:30 in the song. And then there's a little swish sound. Well, that's what it's called on this. I'm not sure what it's really called. That comes in a little later. It's like in the chorus. And then you just add the piano. And that's pretty much the song. So I'll play it back for you. Yeah, that's when the electric bass comes in. That's pretty much where he starts rapping. This is like the chorus. I added the piano with a little MIDI keyboard right there. And then you add the little piano part. That's actually from the song. I played that though. It sounds really, really weird without Tyler Creator in it. And this is where he basically curses out Haley Williams and Bruno Mars and everybody. It's famous. And then it just returns back to the beginning and he starts rapping again. So that's it. So please rate, comment, subscribe. And tell me how to get better. Thank you. And if you want the beat, just inbox me and I'll send it to you. Alright, peace.
Cocking 3 past 6 and going postal. This the revenge of the dicks. That's 9 cocks that cop 9. This ain't no V-Tech shit or Columbine. But after bowling, I went home for some damn adventure time. I slipped myself some pink zannies. Danced around the house and all over print panties. My mom's going, that fucking bra will never understand me.